questions about the orthocenter, means what is orthocenter and how to find the orthocenter. So first we take the triangle here. This is the triangle ABC. The vertices are taken as ABC. Now first from the first vertex A we are drawing one perpendicular to its opposite side BC. Now this is the perpendicular which is drawn from A to BC. Similarly I draw one perpendicular from B to its opposite side, that is CA, and also the perpendicular from C to the AB. These are the perpendiculars. Now these are called as the altitudes. The perpendicular which is drawn from one vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude. Now these three altitudes are congruent lines, means all these lines are intersecting at a single point. Now this point of congruence is called the orthocenter and it is denoted by the letter O. So here O is the orthocenter. So orthocenter is nothing but the point of congruence of the altitudes. Now how to find the orthocenter? The coordinates of these 2 points are like that. This is 1, 2, this is 2, 3 and this is 3, -1. Suppose the points are like that. Now we want to find the orthocenter. So to find the orthocenter, it is enough to find the altitude equations. Here what is the first altitude? AD. We are taking this point as t, then AD. And the second altitude is BE. Now it is enough to find the any two altitudes of the triangle. And next we take the point of intersection of those altitudes. So here I find the equations of AD and BE. So to find the equation of AD, we use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1, y1 is the point on the lines. Means we take the point 1, 2. What is m value? M is slope of AD. What is slope of AD? To find the slope of AD, first we take the slope of BC. What is slope of BC? Here slope of BC is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is slope of BC is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which returns the value -4. Now what is slope of AD? Slope of AD is equals to, here the two lines AD is perpendicular to BC. Since these two lines are perpendicular to each other, then AD slope into BC slope is equals to -1. Product of slopes is equals to -1. Which implies the slope of AD is nothing but -1 by BC slope. This is the formula for finding the AD slope. So by using this slope value, we find the equation of the AD. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. In the same manner also we find the equation of B. And after taking the point of intersection of those two lines, we can get the orthocenter. That is the procedure. This is the problem. Find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by -2, -1, 6, -1 and 2, 5. Find the orthocenter. So first we are taking the 3 points as ABC, which are the vertices of the triangle. Next we draw the diagram, that is the triangle. ABC are the given vertices. Now these are the altitudes. Here AD, BC are the altitudes. Now to find the orthocenter, first we are finding the equations of AD and BC. After that we take the point of intersection of those two lines. Then we get the orthocenter. So we want to find the slope of AD. Now slope of AD comes from the slope of the BC. So first I am finding the slope of BC. Slope of BC is equals to, the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1 y1 is equals to B point and x2 y2 is equal to C point. So y2 minus y1, 5 minus -1, that is 5 plus 1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 6. And this is equals to 6 by -4, which is equals to -3 by 2. Now this is slope of BC. Here we have that AD is perpendicular to BC. Since AD is perpendicular to BC, AD slope into BC slope is equals to -1. AD slope into BC slope is equals to -1. Therefore, slope of AD is equals to -1 by BC slope. And that is equals to -1 by -3 by 2, which is equals to 2 by 3. Now we are finding the equation of AD. Therefore, equation of AD is, the formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. We are finding the equation of AD, that is we take the point A point as x1 y1. That is x1 y1 is equals to -2 -1. Y plus 1 is equals to slope value, slope of AD 2 by 3 into x minus x1. Here x1 is equals to -2, minus of minus plus 2. Now by taking the cross product, we get 3y plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 4. Therefore, equation of AD is 2x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So, equation 1. Next, we are finding the equation of BE. Next, we want to find the equation of BE. Now, to find the equation, first we want the slope value. To find this slope value, first we are taking the slope of AC. So slope of AC is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here x1 y1 and x2 y2 are x1 y1 is equals to minus 2 minus 1 and x2 y2 is equal to 2 comma 5. We are taking these 2 points. First y2 minus y1, that is 5 plus 1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus minus 2, 2 plus 2, which is equals to 6 by 4, and this is equals to 3 by 2. And since BE is perpendicular to AC, BE slope into AC slope is equals to minus 1. Therefore, BE slope is equals to minus 1 by AC slope, and that is equals to minus 1 by 3 by 2, which returns a value minus 2 by 3. Now, equation of BE is, the formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is nothing but B point. We are finding the BE equation. Take x1 y1 as 6 comma minus 1. Y minus y1. Y plus 1 is equals to m value. M is equal to slope value minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 is equals to 6 here. Now taking cross product, we get this value as 3y plus 3, and this is equals to minus 2x plus 12. So the equation is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. So equation 2. Now we are taking the point of intersection of these two lines, point of intersection of 1 and 2. 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, this is first equation, and 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, which is second equation. Now we are taking the point of intersection of these two lines. Now we solve these two equations by elimination method. Here plus 2x minus 2x both are directly cancelled. So minus minus plus, changing the signs. Now this is minus 6y plus 10 equals to 0. Then 6y is equals to 10. Then the value of y is equals to 10 by 6, that is 5 by 3. Now replacing this value in the first equation. From equation 1 we have the 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, that is 2x minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. 2x is equals to 4, then the value of x is equals to 2. Therefore orthocenter is equals to 2 comma 5 by 3. That's all.